Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything wild, rare, and ridiculously fast on four wheels. Today, we dive into one of the most futuristic hypercars on the planet, the 2025 Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition. This isn't just a car, it's a machine born from innovation, speed, and design unlike anything else on the road. Buckle up, because the Blackbird isn't here to play, it's here to dominate. The Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition is a special version of the already outrageous 21C, a hypercar developed by the California-based Czinger Vehicles. The brand is named after Kevin Czinger, the man with a vision to reinvent how cars are built. And with the 21C, they've done exactly that, combining cutting-edge performance with artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and aerospace-grade construction. The result is not only lightning quick, but also lightweight and unlike anything you've seen or driven before. From the outside, the Blackbird Edition looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi film. Sleek, sharp, and aerodynamically perfect, its body is constructed using generative design and 3D printed components, making it both lightweight and brutally strong. It features a jet fighter-style tandem seating layout. That's right, the driver sits in the center, with the passenger directly behind. That layout not only enhances visibility and handling balance, but it also screams race car DNA. The aggressive front splitter, razor-sharp LED lights, deep side scoops, and that enormous rear wing give the Blackbird Edition its deadly appearance. Every inch is engineered for downforce, cooling, and sheer presence. The car doesn't just look fast, it looks like it's breaking the sound barrier while standing still. When it comes to performance, the Czinger 21C Blackbird doesn't just raise the bar, it bends physics. Underneath the sculpted carbon fiber body sits a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with two electric motors. The result, a hybrid drivetrain pushing out a mind-blowing 1,350 horsepower. And for those who opt for the optional performance package, that number can be boosted even further to 1,750 horsepower. Let that sink in. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time, just 1.9 seconds. Top speed, over 253 miles per hour. And it's not just about straight line speed. The 21C has already broken lap records at Laguna Seca and Circuit of the Americas, proving that this machine corners like it's on rails. Thanks to its ultralight weight, around 2,750 pounds, and advanced aerodynamics, it offers race car level grip and stability. Inside the cockpit, everything is focused on the driver. The central seating position is surrounded by a fighter jet-style canopy, a race-inspired steering wheel, and digital displays that deliver real-time telemetry. The entire cabin feels futuristic, intimate, and completely performance-driven. You're not just driving the car, you're part of it. The price? Well, exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition starts at around $2 million. But you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of automotive history, a symbol of what happens when technology, design, and speed collide in the most extreme way possible. With production limited to just 80 units globally, this is a collector's dream and a speed freak's fantasy wrapped in carbon fiber and adrenaline. So what's the real selling point? It's the perfect storm of innovation and insanity. A hypercar that's not only made differently, but performs differently. Built with AI, printed with titanium, and powered by hybrid fury, the Czinger 21C Blackbird Edition is redefining what a supercar, no, a hypercar, can be. Thanks for watching Auto Vibes. If you love the sound of roaring V8s, cutting-edge design, and machines that look like they belong in a video game, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insane rides from the future. Until next time, keep the revs high and your vibes even higher.